What a blue sky we have this nice morning of June. That's definitely one of the biggest advantage of living in Sicily. That is having often a very good weather. This morning I am very enthusiastic since I'm about to present a beautiful corner townhouse that consists of ground, first and second floor. Let's say that this property goes from the feet to the head. As you're about to see, it's in a very good condition and it's spacious enough to create 3 independent apartments in case of need. And now it's time to step in. As you already noticed, basically there are 3 entrances. I've just taken the side one that allow us to reach the upper floors. The minute we access the ground floor, immediately we deal with this beautiful living room, directly connected to the kitchen on the back. Here, a service bathroom that eventually can be modified in order to become a complete one, equipped with shower. And now we are headed to the first floor. The stairs appear very elegant, as totally covered with marble. Currently, the first floor is arranged like a sleeping area. Indeed, all the bedrooms of the house are placed here. A big chamber for the kids with 2 beds. And the master bedroom in front of us. Quite large and bright. Despite on the ground and first floor the house takes light frontally only, it takes a lot of natural light. I find it as a very important feature, absolutely not to underestimate. Okay, the exploration of the first floor is over. And now we are heading to the top floor. Let's say that the ladder is the one that requires more work. But it doesn't matter, because basically what really matters is having enough space to make your project come true. On the back we have this kind of laundry room with skylight that eventually can be turned into a very big and comfortable bathroom. In this room you can create the kitchen living room and this room that currently is used like a laboratory can be converted into a bedroom. Look how beautiful this corner balcony is. It goes all around the property. Nice. Previously, I've spoken of top floor, but I wasn't totally sincere, since in truth, there's the walkable rooftop that I gotta show you absolutely. Given these stairs, it's very easy to access. Up here, there's the water reserve of the house. It's just 2000 liters. It remains having all the water you need, anytime. Now, take a look at the landscape. Personally, I find it amazing. I love the mountains. And as I mentioned in many previous videos of mine, Carini is entirely surrounded by them. Speaking about this rooftop, as you can see, it's large enough to grill some meat with friends, to have parties in general. Let's say that having a very nice and walkable rooftop, it's definitely a great element for a property. To conclude, if the final purpose is to create several apartments to rent out, and precisely 3 with this building, you have to invest something like 25,000 euros. That's the approximate amount according to my experience. And done that, you will be able to rent every single apartment for the least 400 euros per month, taxed at only 10%. I think that the return on investment is very high in this rising locality. From Carini and this beautiful mountain, it's all.